Welcome to Brainy Presence. Are you tired of dull, lackluster skin? Well, today I'm going to show you 7 simple yet effective ways to achieve radiant, glowing skin right from the comfort of your own home. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining hydrated and glowing skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin cells plump and healthy. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can help nourish your skin from the inside out. Follow a skincare routine. Establish a daily skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Choose products suited to your skin type and concerns, and don't forget to exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh, glowing skin. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can lead to premature aging and damage to the skin. Wear sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days, and reapply it every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body repairs and rejuvenates itself, including your skin. Lack of sleep can lead to dull, tired-looking skin and exacerbate various skin issues. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your skin, leading to breakouts, dullness, and other concerns. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Stay active. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, promoting a healthy glow. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to reap the skin and overall health benefits. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can achieve glowing skin right from the comfort of your own home. Remember that consistency is key, so stick to your skincare regimen and healthy habits for the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.